Hirevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.
Hey, we're on day 3 of our cross-country trip. Stop here at Southern Air Cooled, meeting great people. But from here we head to Birmingham next, working our way over to Yuma. So next Saturday we'll be at VW's on the River in Yuma, Arizona. From there, go to San Diego, and I drop off my Bug and take my Bronco Raptor. It's parked at the top of the hill. Can do 5-day Baja run through Mexico on the peninsula. Then come back up, park that, and get my Bug again and cruise from San Diego to LA, hitting all the car shops like Cool Rides Customs, where I got my suspension. Go up to LA for the Silverado Bug-In, which is Sunday 2 weeks from now. And then go to Powerhouse VW, see where my engine was built, and then go to Shot Wheels, where I got my custom rims made. And then come back on Route 66 for their centennial 100-year anniversary celebration. So they're excited. I sent them a note. It's an iconic looking car and it's an iconic road, so they're excited to see that come through. And then a couple of my buddies are gonna fly into Lexington, Kentucky and meet me, just time it perfectly, meet me, and we'll hit the Bourbon Trail for a couple days before getting home to my hopefully still understanding wife by then.